And even if it got him out, then I don't know if it do it me, because that can't hurt me. That's just a picture. When you be mature enough and realizing a life say, especially things we do to people, it eventually turn back to you. Me not know if someone not understand say certain little things do not bother me. The things that bother me come life come ball about them. Certain things not bother me. If it no means you can't prevent it from happening, you know. It no means you can't prevent it from happening. If a girl want to take down my son picture and put hood on him face, it's just a picture. I cannot do anything about it. You didn't touch him. You never take him away. You never see him in a real life and put it on him face. It's a picture. Whether it want tarnish him when he get old or whatever, him have to realize when he get big. So it's a picture. A somebody do that. They can do that to anybody. It's a picture. We just go up there. But if a man in real life take my son and put him face as close as my son face in a real life, take a picture, that's a difference. But this for sure you say you still have a blackness in your heart. You still have a blackness in your heart because there is so much things missing happen to you. You say things about ice. You say things about me too. You say a lot of things about me. And I say a lot of things about you, your kids. You say enough things about my mother. You say enough things about my family. Just the same as me say about yours. And me say Jabas them and the one of them bring you down the other day. And I never had anything to say about it. Me see them go as far as I talk about your husband and your parents not like you and land where you build pan. And me could have did come out and say about the remember you did talk about my mother. You see how I feel now if you talk about people mother. Me could have did come out and say you see how I feel when they talk about my family. But me leave it alone because me look at the past as the past. But some of you like problem and you hypocrite and that's why me running away because you know see you have me up same way. But you still come play match. Or show me that trend right there with the Skilly Ben song, you're up on it. Because you surely hurt, because I wasn't even talking to you and look how you hurt. Look on the other one them.
It hurt me to my soul like nothing hurt me, so it hurt me. Because up to now, I still have a picture of them in on my phone with the penis them where Ivany put on my children them mouth.
That means that I need to make one and put your picture on it. So you and the 3 Brachiosaurus them. And you gonna make 4 Triceratops together then. Huh? It look like say me have to go rake up but most blood clot wanted. And it look like me have to go get 4 fresh cock now. Me have to go get 4 fresh cock. And make you Triceratops or your 4 Brachiosaurus them or your 3 Brachiosaurus and the whole of then. Because you as a top mother, why would you still have a picture of that in your phone with your pitney them? You're a pervert. And you love it. You love it. Why would you have a picture like that in your phone same way from so many years? I could never have that in my phone. If me see that on the internet, me scroll fast. Me could never see ice with a something on the mouth and have that picture in my phone. Now what you plan for do? Can I make a quote when I come Jamaica feet? That's what you plan for do? Because you have to prove that I make it, you know. You have to prove that I make it, you know. What you do with that in your phone same way?
It hurt me to my soul like nothing hurt me, so it hurt me. Because up to now, I still have a picture of them in on my phone with the penis them where Ivany put on my children.
A Jilani hood.
I still, listen to me guys. I'm not an emotional person. And if you don't see me sit down here so.
You come on from the screen with your old
people
face.
trying to take her picnic, to take picture, pick up. And she said, me don't want expression in Ivany's face last night. And when I saw her walking away, even mommy sweetness, where Ivany also loves so much, Ivany run from her, walk away from so fast because she was so scared that people was going to take her baby's photo and do the same thing to her child that she did to mine.
Why people now understand that Ice is a runner and a track star? Stop trying to compete with me. Ice is a celebrity. Your 3 Brachiosaurus are not. They belong in the zoo. Because you come by me and I want to bring down your blood clot, you know. Huh? Ice is a bad boy. Ice is that boy. Ice a star. You don't see how much people try to take picture with Ice? I've never seen anybody try to take picture with you or your little Brachiosaurus them. You try to tap them. So are you gonna talk about and mommy sweetness that I love you run? Me have to run from them. When Cardi B and her kids them going in the black SUV, I run, me see them run go in. When Kim Kardashian and for them and Chloe and for them kids are going a SUV, I run go in a celebrity run from paparazzis. They're paparazzis them. And we're running from paparazzi. Nothing is wrong if I run from paparazzi. The only thing you run from are the tree girl them come up the hill for beat you and Jelani. That you have to run from. I that is talk about. What day you trouble Annie and Annie don't get the highlight, you're gone. You see Pops and Jabasa do them little song thing, you make 4, 5, 6 video about it. That not gain a little views. So you come bout me now for get views. Alright, see you get it then. I could see how long it all last. It not gonna last, you know. I say I want to add me and her have it out ya. Why shouldn't I add me and her dig up Emmanuel blood clot road over here? Because me really want to ask her, what is the problem? Me really want to know what is her problem. Because she fake. Actually, I can't add her, but she knows she lock off her invite because she not ready for this eat that come. She not ready for this eat that will come. She's a little
Message good. Tell her Savannah said, when you
this is the message.
How much rat she have to her?
This is the message I sent out to her this morning when she come for me. I'm not wrong.
Message good. Tell her Savannah. Vani said, when you feed your, how much rat she have? 2 or 3? 3 rat? When she feed the 3 rat, them she come.
And that the message that me sent to her and she vex. Me tell her go and feed the 3 ratatouille them. Go feed the rat and she vex. And you come but me never trouble your girl. Me never see I don't even see and drop word for you.
Come beg me back for there with them. So talk about him so me can post screenshots to show and say, no girl. No, me not for run back on no boy. Them always try to find them way back and me no want them back. No do that. You stink. I do for wish life. Ivany can't come on this. No views, no clout, more than me go. Anytime you come in and say nothing, and if it burn me, or if it don't make sense, I'm feel like for class, I'm class you back on that.
What she said, no views, no clout? Hey, pussy clout. What she say a mad woman this her? She mad. Me dive want to mix up today when me have 4,000 people. Me literally just there chill. Last night, I got fish fry at 10,000 people there on my life. I was chilling. And the day before, recently, me I have 3,000 people on my life and I'm just chilling. Me not in nobody mix up and me not do nobody, I made us a chill. And you come with your mix up now. Earlier today, she said add Ivany. Share the life to Ivany for add Ivany. Then the time that she only have 1,000 views. You wanted to add me with your 1,000 views. But did already watch the live when she said a lie. She did a wrap her head round in a one round bun something. And she said, add Ivany, send her the live. Cause them say she come but me never see it. We go call Ivany. And me depending, I'm saying no, so me not go back on her live. She had 1,000 views. So now you have 5,000 views. I'm say add me. You now give me clout. What kind of clout do you can? Dina past 300 views, much less 200 and less do you talk about somebody. And every time when I come about man, my man them never fail me. A one man and an ice father. That alone I can talk about. One drunkro. A one drunkro. And I may run with that from the eat out a chicken. Cause if me did want things good, more to chat about eating out a chicken and life with a jolly. All of my man them will come around me and me cause it fit left. She can't talk about king left me cause me black king. And I'm my cocky that. And me unblack him. Me never in a Jelani box yet. I tell Jelani if I go to you. But you're in a my man box. For show you how you enough. You plan this. For show you how you enough. You're in a king box the other day. See if I can find you. You're in a king box. After a screen record, me see it pan. Sorry, my throat has scratched me. She there in a king box the other day. I chat up her mouth. Like she a try fix relationship. I pretty know say a long time my man a text. My man a text on the low for the longest. I never see somebody love clothes, so. She go on, I'm mid there.
What you want, bro? Stop fucking putting your legs up in the camera like that, man. What you... Huh? Are you candy? Are you candy? Stop Stop fucking playing with me like that, bro. What the fuck is wrong with this man, bro? Talking about, is he on me? You know, because at the end of the day, we could have, I could him.
When I see the girl, she a cloud chase, and I can't believe the girl take me.
Think twice before him, Elsha. You see, Ivany and King are fucker, me think say a King body little. Look like a Ivany pussy did think and big. Can't accept the man. Eh? Cannot.
My pussy stink and King a come tonight, but your pussy make your pussy, you know. Your friend take for your man from you, your married man. Your friend where you have for how much years. Pussy better than fear. Cause Jillan you run well if you go to fear friend and then send 3 gal pan top of it for beat you up. Plus where you live uncomfortable because the family land where you live pan the people them don't want you today. Why you always some careless people want to argue with me? If these stay up on the life till 5 p.m. them go to stone our house, the family member them tell her to come off of the property. So how she want? I always careless people want argue with me. Yeah, that's the first thing she do. As the honor start cause she gone for this song. She gone for this song and the only thing I can talk about is me and mama. Me and my man will not left, will never left. And at least me can find somebody where we accept my stinkness. If King Love said stink, so what? She's a cloud chaser, bro, and it's crazy how the girl over. Look on the big man.
I feed them. Right.
Me rather have one picnic for a man than have 3 and him now look on 3 of them.
You're outside and bright. Outside and bright. Me not add no girl for my life and take nothing. Ivany is not my friend and she will never be my friend. Never be my friend. Your class me picnic them one time and me make you slide. You never class them again and me make you slide again. No time. You will never, ever see me blood clot or chop back to your little stinking girl. No time. No.
Me I go make them suck so watch. Let's see if me find them picture. You start me up. I'm not gonna answer. I go watch this. So one of them.
We are pause. Next.
Alright.
Come daughter.
Screenshot you. You wanna go that way with me? I bet one of the sim wanna know if you leave me alone because my love come out to the kids them. Alright.
Make her disappear just like poof, then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what the fuck I'm on. Make her disappear just like poof, then she's
And I go see dangerous people and leave them alone. I mean, no want nobody tell me no. No tell me no. You see, when you're ready for trouble people like me, remember you have kids. When you're ready for combo people like me, remember you have kids. I mean, no want nobody tell me no, because I never trouble her. You know me out in a giant church. You know me capable of doing. Before you come for people like me, remember you have kids. You don't care about them, you don't care about them neither.
Any ocean blood clot week back, she go pay her feet this time. So tell her.
I'm not going to see. You don't know who name me. Alright. May I look for the biggest hood. May I send it to our DM. Boy, pay. Go suck your mother. Pay for what? I'm telling you, don't ramp with me, you know. I'm telling you, say, do not play with me. Come in, I go answer you, you know. When you go get your attorney, I could sue for money bigger. I not run a joke, I don't want you to tell me nothing, because I never trouble her. You don't tell me anything. To them, I not going to listen to you, you know. I'm not going to listen to Uno today, because Uno sister, I never trouble the bitch. And you come about me today. Alright. She too hard. You come take me and like my blood clot trouble, you dirty girl. You can't even find house, you can't even find money for fix up your cottage. And me you go find money for carry go court. Me could see who go win. You can't carry me go court, dirty girl. You carry your pussy go court and your dirty living condition. A cloud shall look, bro. Clouds. Boy, it hurts you. What it have to do with you, boy, hurt you? When Jabba's 40 wall and left you, curse. It never hurt you. When I make a TikTok of them just on you, it never hurt you. What's your name on Instagram? I'm going to send it to her. What's your name on Instagram? $402%. Tell her check her Instagram. I don't know. I'm plugging my phone on it. Tell her check her Instagram. I don't know. And she can share it to the world. I'm going to go share it too. Don't fuck yourself with my bitch. Coming around. I don't want nobody tell me some wrong. I never trouble the bitch. And she come about me. Obviously, you want me to talk about the little dirty girl them again. Obviously, she want me to talk about them again for you come about me today. After me not trouble you, I mean I'm a whole little world. Me in my own little world. Go suck front tool, block, and come off of my life, drunk, and get off. Oh. One big black cock in them mouth. Big black hood. Tell her to defend that. I'm going to work on her Instagram tonight. Me, I take out my laptop and work on that blood clot tonight. You better stay foreign and get a T-Mobile. You better start use a T-Mobile. You better go sit down around your phone and lock up that blood clot page. You don't want to fuck. You don't want me to go back in the real Vanny, you know. You don't want me to go back in that blood clot. Oh. I don't see this bitch. I don't see this girl. I don't see this bitch. And she come and text it for me. Wait, what should I text it for me for? And now when my son I drink beer milk, you cannot afford them Enfamil there. A $60 to $70 for your Enfamil in Atlanta. I'ma buy all 3 tin of them one time. So you no worry about if ice want drink Enfamil. You cannot afford them there. Cause the Enfamil make ice fat for you putting them string like this. You're there in Jamaica where your man potato and the things them grow from the ground. And them still look like them hungry. Might as well I need to come give them some ice Enfamil and see if it would have worked for them. Maybe I need me send down 2 tin of Enfamil and make them drink it. It would have worked out for them. Oh. I don't have a she because I don't send her cock and what I need to send she. Oh. I'm not answer she, I'm not look back pan she. I don't send her what I have to send her. Tell her to bring her case come. Now, me say, if you don't see me answer she back right now, God, leave it come here, so. Me nah get with her, me nah look back on her, me don't send her what me have to send her. She wish tell her to check her Instagram. And me don't talk to she. She too out order. As she come bum me never trouble her. As she trouble me. She just see people that have a jolly time of fish fry. And see people views up and people just enjoy themselves. And people can bring out them pitney and enjoy themselves. Something she not do. Only do them something upon occasions. Special occasion you can't feel look ratatouille them. Special occasion you carry out the down of the planets of the apes. Special occasion you carry them out. Special occasion we see you and the hyenas them out. We no soon out on a regular basic, you know. You and the hyenas them only out on special occasion. Oh. Am I dumb to post it to make TikTok to come up page? The girl work, the kids go to school block. Am I dumb? If I can brawl and make that pan live and make everybody know say I'm brawling and make it. You know say the girl bad mind. You know say the girl I try to take views. You know say the girl all about popularity. The last something I post on TikTok, on Instagram and me and to come up page. Am I dumb to post it for them to come up page and me just build up again? Am I dumb? Am I dumb? Post it now and 5 person probably don't ever view it. Because Instagram gonna take it down immediately. What? Go ease yourself, yeah, man. Go bill. And then you go play a victim now. You go act like say as somebody see you and trouble you. You know, as some wicked people them, you know. The people them need to come off of them land. And know what you say you're the evil. You is the problem. That's why the family member them want you off of the land. And you're the problem. And you did chop up your dog. And you chop up your dog because you want people to send you money and people to serve for you. And you provoke your family member them for them want you off of the land so people can come serve for you to give you money. You know what you do is a local troublemaker. Yes, a little troublemaker. Because I didn't trouble you. I didn't trouble you. I didn't beg friend from you. Are you rush up in on me? I'm still never as a friend associate. I play one look match with you. I go about my business. I go sell me fuck pan OnlyFans and you come boots and talk about it. And about oh I look good for and one never look good. The last time I check, I used say you see the little thing and it cute, especially when me and my man set it so. So oh no you have something different for say about me and my man and my man who dead and now your advice in the Skilly Ben song say it did sound good and it did look good. So how now you change your mouth? All of a sudden now who dead? All of a sudden now who dead? And you start change your mouth. Now look past she make she go on. I'ma block you. Because I'm not obligated for answer to none. When you can go have a jolly time on the comment section. You know me not give a fuck. Block. Come off of this. Screen record where you want and put it up and go talk with one of the best. That not have nothing to do with me. And you can't cancel me because no haters support me. I'm a sensation. Them cancel no matter. When I've been a try that from 2016. Now it's 2025. Give up. It will never work. It will never work. Give up. Especially when people say have a them trouble me. I never trouble her. I did not trouble that girl. You take up something that have nothing to do with you. Something that happened years ago. Something happened years ago. It had nothing to do with you or needed your opinion. And even if you give one opinion, the opinion the way you give upon it is a hypocrite opinion that. Just like I could have give opinion upon a Rose situation and people say me did enough. Because that was a genuine opinion. Me a genuinely tell her I said the boy I don't want her and she go feel it. And see me live for see it go on now. Me live for see it go on now. But you come and attack up my problem them by your head. And I talk about what me did do to fear Pitney after you claim to say, oh, me and Vani a friend. And you and Vani sit down and you play a match every day. But you're quick to come class me about something that happened years ago and still say you have picture in your phone and you still pre me for this. But yet still, there is no way a girl could have put a picture like that with ice and me sit down on screen with her. Not there. When you look to a friendly and love views. When you rather views over on a picnic. No girl pan the live and no boy pan TikTok. Why you think me not talk back to Destiny? You think me not like Destiny? Me not have a hate for Destiny. Remember me and Destiny did have whole heap of things before that. And me talk back to Destiny multiple times and nobody could stop that and nobody no program me. If you don't want to give me so make it be, nobody no program me. But when Destiny go send me the message, boy, I go wear my to ice. And that make me cut off all loose and up till today, Destiny can never talk back to me. Never. And me put big black hood pan fear 3 musketeers them. And because of coins and you love coins over your pitney, you come play with me and you play hypocrite with me. Forget money, coins. You know that sell on soul. You that sell your kids them soul for money. You that sell them soul to gain the world. And that you would do. Can you make because of coins and views make you sit down and laugh in my face and play with me, knowing that you still have me up for something we gone long time. A real genuine mother and smarty with sense now sit down and laugh up on no screen with no girl we do things like that to them pitney. You see I did have the picture in your phone from last year and New Year. Make you something fresh for look on. Save that one day too. Yeah. She needed something new and I give it to her. She needed something more recent and I give it to you. Now, look at the picture and tell me if that pose is okay and if you like it. I can make a couple more and send it to you. I just send you 2 more when I edit and that's it. I'm done with you now. All of the girls let me come about me stay bad. Look on fair face. And she sell cream for face. Look on her face when the filter move. Pot hole, I you sell cream for face. You look mash up in a Jamaica. For a married woman, you look mash up. Look underneath your chin, be a black. Look by your eye them, you're tired, go sleep. Hard life will lick you. Take down them cheap curtain and go put up some nice expensive curtain. Hard life will kill you. Change your bedded. Go buy some Amazon bedded like me. Go fix up your life. That's what you need to do. Fix up your life. Huh? And you can't hype on me with also the family member them want you for them property. If them for really care, you got quote you have to get up. Because you never buy it, you just build on it. You'd have to call a truck to take up your house and carry it, go somewhere else. Huh? I don't know, no come about me when you get look of views, but the views there is not permanent. It is temporary. You is not me. It is temporary. I can bet you $1,000 tomorrow you go live. You will not be having 3,000, 2,000, 4,000. You don't pass 200 views if somebody lucky enough to watch it for so much. They can't send my license plate. I don't have that anymore. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? The day them take my license plate, the day mommy sweetness call me, I go change it the next day. Me 10 step ahead of uno. Me 10 step ahead of uno. Them take it off today and post it and me change it the next day. I pay my money and change it. Me 10 step ahead. And even if you get that license plate as you say or whatever, I don't live at that. You see the address for the license plate at the pan? I'm my first address. I'm live down at McDonough. I don't live there no more. That's the address from way down at McDonough. I don't live there no more. I don't even have that number no more. But 10 step ahead of uno. You can't do me nothing. And if you do find my address for you, so you still can't do me nothing. You have money for even call. You have money. You can't have a blood clot by gas put in your tank. Because the simplest little thing I soon beg for, me have to really wonder if I write it. Me have to wonder if I write it. Every time I call ICE and make a report for me, I know. If she call ICE for me tomorrow, I go know. I go know. Not a thing. I go through airport every day just the same. I'm gonna know. Me ICE officer is a Jamaican. Me know everything. I'm going to know. She want immigration number. I can give her immigration number. I can give her immigration number. Immigration number. Atlanta. Immigration officer Atlanta. Where you call him? When you look up when you want immigration number, they may show immigration attorney. We can give her immigration number. Where you look for when you want immigration number, and put in immigration officer Atlanta, be a attorney, them here come up. You can go Google it and give her. Go and use Google. Make Google be your best friend. USCIS. Google that. Go over there and tell her for Google that on Chrome or Safari. I can send her some credit. She want some credit? I can send her some digital and I can send her some lime. You want me call them on the phone and you're on the live and you add them and you talk your business? We can't call them. It's not gonna do me anything, bitch. Make Google be your best friend. Go on it on Google and call them. What Akeem that vent have to do with me? I tell you Akeem now want Rosealee. I tell you Akeem now want Rose. Akeem don't want Rose. When him live up at the rose at the belly, they be a think shit water under the belly. Them now want Rose. Me know the woman them what him want. Him now want she. And the little gullible people them behind her, she no want her. And I make them trick on the night about this is a new series for people run with it. A reality a go on, and anything come back and them make up back the next day. But it's reality. Akeem don't want Rose. Akeem should continue the series and buy his mother a house and a car. He don't want Rosealee. And she don't understand that. And when people telling her the truth, she's mad. You see, if Rosealee did that take telling, don't have a Dino, we done with she. Make sure call what she call. I see bigger that I see citizen call and I get through and she go get through. I see citizen of the United States of America make complain and a bingo and she go bingo. Listen me. You see if she detect telling, and listen to what people say, she wouldn't be hurt right now. She wouldn't be hurt right now. You make your feelings stray. You make your feelings stray so far. Well, if you ring him and not get him, you feel like you want to cry. You're a human being, you know. You're a human being. Everybody have to love somebody and have feelings for somebody. Because if Missy one cute boy and look me and I give me good treatment, I must fall for him. And him look good and him smell good. And him have him money. And him give me princess treatment. I not have to fuck him or kiss him for get 100K. Chandeliers that we call them. All these bangles, expensive jewelries and the things them. Yeah, good at him pay for your ticket for fly out. I must fall in love with him. But you have to know when man no want you. The difference with me, you know. And people afraid to understand the difference with me. I not just deal with man and man no want me. Man no like me because I'm a ways. It's a difference. And you not go want accept the fact. The man them don't want to date me because I'm a dirty ways. Me have dirty ways. Me cuss man for the least things. Me carry them business for life. Me bring down them mama, their family, everybody. You eat anything for me in a bite for me bring you down. Me carry the whole of my business for life. And that make man not stay with me. But the difference with Rosealee, she for know when the man just not want you from the get-go. I God alone can't come. Me tell you, you know. Me tell you. Me tell you how the story go. From the get-go, it was supposed to be a series. They didn't have to plan the series. It could have been a series like, boy, you just see Akeem on live and Akeem just start babes you up. Akeem know your history. Akeem come on TikTok. Akeem see how people treat you. Akeem see how female. Akeem see how male treat you. And Akeem just go stand up and show the man them how to take care of woman. Drake's have a phone. He must show Drake's how to take care of you. You there, he must show you how to have how to value yourself. He must show you something. The whole I know I do this serious thing until one person take it deep. Yeah. Until one person take it too deep. I'm coming. It was a series until Rose start take it too deep. Come in. And the people them a tell you say Akeem don't want you. You gonna have some man friend will treat you good, but that don't mean so them want to lay with you. And not everybody treat you good want fuck you. Why you think people act movie so good for we can enjoy it and watch it like Tyler Perry show them? And not every man come in your life want you. Them just can't show you love. But sometimes we female, you love hood too much. You love fall for man too much. Sometimes we don't can know when to keep man as friends and when man for fuck. Me have some friends right now. Them not really do social media in a real life. Kiss me up on my cheek and give me good treatment. But that don't... I'm not telling them because I like one of them, but me control myself. Because you don't want to lose your friendship. And everybody come around you want to fuck you. And then every man show you love you for go there with them. Sometimes you break a good friendship for go get in a one relationship. And then when you break the good friendship for go in a relationship, you lose the both friendship and the relationship. Because when you're a friend with a man today and you and him good, and you left from being friend go there with the man, and then the day with no go work out, you and him hate each other, the friendship now go be feel like how it did feel one time because I want to start fuck now. And all feelings are come from the relationship but not from the friendship. So you not have no relationship and you don't have a friendship. You have to know when to keep my... And the thing, Rosealee, you was moving too fast. You was moving too fast. You start this everybody for Akeem. What then were never needed. Akeem not disrespect nobody. Why you are disrespect the people them? And then it look like you want the boy for help you this the people them. Who the fuck is you? You're crazy. Yeah, these people for you and Akeem. And Akeem not this nobody for you because he doesn't in the need for this nobody for you. Because there is nobody doing anything to get disrespect. And you're the only person that these people for no reason at all. Me hear somebody call to you, spit off of them. You think if Akeem did their road and somebody called to Akeem and spit off of them, what kind of dirty style them there? Sometimes you go around some people, you have to feel people energy and start act like people. If you find one rich friend, you have to go start act like you're rich too. Or bring yourself better. You can't bring your dirty ways them around. Me have some people, we are top class people. When me go around them, me not talk, get up, me not act, get up, me act like a decent person because they're decent people. You realize that Akeem is not a person for make trouble and trouble people and the little things them. Start move. You see, you like the boy. Start move like, you understand, because you don't know if Akeem, me can't say Akeem might change his mind. Rose, Akeem don't want you. It's hard to say Akeem might change. Akeem do not want you. He's not him type. Just look for all of Akeem ex them. Yes! I must the add step on the TV. I'm coming. Akeem don't want you, girl. I'm tired to tell you, you cuss me off, poor me. I just I tell you. Alright, Papa. All the thing me I do, I try to tell you the truth, and you class me and you done me. And that's why it all come back to me saying to you, say your friends them run, they're not telling you the truth. Cause your friends them run, you know say boy no want you, and then know say a series. You know say a series. But because them a look clout too. And you have the clout now, so your friend them will come play a match with you, eventually them get the views too. Because them with you. Anything what you roll with, and that them a roll with. And anything what them a roll with, the people them will fuck with you or roll with them. So when you come and talk about the boy and whatever, and you have a friend for back you and say, yeah, the boy want you, or people need to come out to your business knowing damn well the boy don't want you. The people them were delusional like you start gift them. And I support them and I that them want. So them not tell you the truth because them want gift. Them say thousands of people that put your life and watch you and I that them want. Akeem, in my eyes, Akeem not do nothing wrong. Are you, Rosealee? Are you? Akeem has done nothing wrong. Are you are the problem? You. The boy no come out come say man Rosealee they all know. All know the boy no come out come say chat. Me and Rosealee there. The boy just a show your love. Figure it out. Javi. Me can't call him figure it out. Javi go up on interview and say me and my brother, you know, I teach the man them how to treat a woman. I end up pick up say a series. Me we more believe said damn a thing real until them prove me wrong. Them a take them time. You're too speedy, Rosealee. You're not that girl. Me don't know who a fool you. You're too speedy. You go on a fast highway. You need to slow down. You need to slow down. If you said Diamond and Javier series, I will believe that until them prove me wrong. But me think for them thing are real and it a go on. And even if for them thing not real, they're so professional with it and know the way them a do and have them head pan them body. Me don't hear nobody a talk bad about them. Rosa, look how Diamond just chill. She's just a chill girl. Diamond just chill. Diamond is the same Diamond. Diamond not this nobody unless you call her name in a comment. She answer you in the comments. Diamond not walk and spit on nobody. Diamond not run nobody off her life. Diamond all open up now and add people in the box and I socialize. You a spit off of people. People want to play a match with you. You embarrass the people them and the people will fuck with you, you know. You see if a haters did come for your live and a class you and bring you down, but I say, alright then. Rose class them. But the people will fuck with you. And people will want to see you win. All of the people that want me to run in and want to play a match with you, people will like you. Rosealee fan them there. And at them, you spit on the people them and take them off our live and run them and shame them and embarrass them. You have to stop it, Rosealee. And she go click live for me. I'm not care because I'm still not bring her down. You have to stop it. You need to stop it. Akeem, take some more. Take a house and take all you can get. I tell you. You're smart, do what you got to do. Because you not do nothing up on the internet when nobody never do. Kizzy come out, come tell lie, and Kizzy sit down in a Akeem, let me give you a look mix up since you don't know. Kizzy Dan, did I try the music thing, it no work for her. She try look Dina crazy, it no work for her. You know what she do? She a mackerel meet in an accident. I go that planning accident. In call him friend for cut off in head. And make people them show it's the in head ball. And ball and send depressed and people send thousands of money and kisses them go do body and we never see her back on internet a big taps and roses. Trick the people them and get money and gone. Here boss spill out the woman from London and get so much money when don't even play a match again. Don't even play a match again. Toughy get too much money out of the white woman, them don't even need a new gift that time, alright. The amount of things happen on the internet, you won't be the first or the last to come on this to come make a dine. And a lot of people come tell lie about them want this. Candy did come say she want money for the surgery and take it by car. Each and everybody on the app. I must see Rebel and Sister and World Dog them and couple other are the only one them messy actually work for them shit and do what them have to do. Even before the series with Britain them something, then the people that been have them things already. But almost everybody on the app come out. Me sell my story them, but my story them a real story because people think they're fake but it's real. Me naturally toxic in a real life. You is not the first person who come on the internet and put on series and get a look of money. People now gonna like see people win. You did nothing wrong. Akeem don't make nobody bully and make you feel stressed out. And you can't say boy not under stress because you know the same soft. You can't take the bag and mix up and not pressure the youth. And enough to be blamed in the comment section. And enough force and depend on the people them like you can't see people do a look of series. When you watch one show, you know so the show not real but it touch you, you cry same way though. When you watch movie, you got theater, you know so it's not based on a true story. It touch you, you cry though. You know so it's a series. It is not real. It's called entertainment in a different way. One girl it come on the live, come talk like British. Very talented young girl. I don't know how she talk like a British person for so long. Very entertaining. She come to that and she get her money though. Everybody have them own little things. So why not pressure the boy now? Because it not come out the way you no want it to come out. I'm sorry to say. Sorry for the inconvenience. A Drake's alone fit Rose. You think Drake's don't know say it's a series? You think say Drake's don't know say everything we are going is a series and income is coming in. That's why I'm clutch and make everything go so smooth? You think Rose not tell Drake say a series but deep down Rose a fall for the series? You think Akeem let's say it a go too far and him want blood clot draw away? Me not wrong him youth. Me not wrong him. Next thing he go fuck blood clot Rose. And at that time they know I tear him down because you say him no want her, I'm sure the FR. Me can't see about the kiss part. Because if me have somebody at the series, me can't kiss you on your lip. That nothing wrong with that. Me can't kiss you. But if a boy sister Rosealee really I get out of hand and look like she think it a go in a one deep way, I don't wrong him for pull away because I wanna see him and I go class him. I wanna see him and I go class him. And bring him down. Me tell Akeem say Akeem, it is just the start of it. You not seen nothing yet. This way I go on is a little Tom Cruise. Go on, depression not start taking yet. Go down to the pharmacy and tell them you want 2 pills for when the real depression kick in. Them just start. Them not start yet. Rosealee not start yet. That are gonna be a biggest downfall. Rosealee not start yet. Rosealee calling Akeem phone. She can't get him. She start diss him. She low-key diss him now. You don't see it, I see it on the screen record. I don't watch her, but I see it on the screen record them. She low-key disrespect him. She probably now come out, come say go suck your mother. But I see screen record where she low-key at diss him. One of the time, I see like she say, I'm me bill him. Like I'm me bill him, and me I give him clout. I low-key see she say that. Like she say, I'm me give him clout. She calling the nigga, and the nigga now answer, and she vex. She vex. You vex. I don't wrong the nigga for pull way. You hear Akeem say him depress him and get some time. Akeem have to go home to him real woman. You think Akeem woman and what's your series and probably Akeem woman to say, boy babes Rosa take it too serious. Leave her alone before they mix you up. The man have to find him way for cut. Probably the man that just want to tell us same cut because you probably got take it wrong way. Don't be ungrateful, Rosealee. Accept the fact that somebody show you what love is. Take out your children, them. Your pretty baby, them gone at Duns River Falls. Which young boy you see I do that? Which young Jamaican man nowadays I got take up a woman and him, our children, them carry them way down a trip. Buy them all shoes and the things them. It's rare. Man that they will do it, but it's rare for a young boy nowadays. The young boy want woman carry them both. Be appreciative. And appreciate the people them will support you. Because if Akeem gone and the people them on TikTok, you have to look back to a TikTok pay the whole of we rent. You never hear me a cuss my sensation them boy give and spit on them and treat them somewhere, you know. Me only class them when them a tell me say me for done when a people trouble me. You can't class the people them that are feeding you. Because when man gone and friend gone and your team you have to go depend upon. You talk truth. We know Akeem we feed her, but Akeem now send thousands of lion every day. Why Akeem go away? Your friend them, the woman friend them and the male friend them where you have, they don't support you every day sending gift. All they do is play match with you. You make money and them make money. Why if them stop be a friend? Who you look pan? Now the people them you have to look pan life because them support you. You don't work, me no work. That is your only income. So how you fit this the blood clot people them where you put money in your pocket? You fool. Me ear say you spit off of somebody. What if you didn't make the spit touch the person and them come out and chop you up? You the ear say the person wrong for chop you up, but you would wrong for spit off of the person. What kind of style like Rosealee? You really get out of hand. What kind of style that you spit off of people? Me never expect that from you. Me expect every class of people them, but spit off of act off of somebody. And me would spit on nobody. I could have never spit on somebody because I don't want nobody spit on me. I don't even think ever in my life me spit on nobody. Spit, you know that is a nasty thing. Arc and toe. And that a slime on somebody. Rosealee, you bigger than the program. Rosealee, are you bigger than the program? If a page me take and get pie. And you spit. If a page me take and get pie and you spit. You have to stop it. The man them head of Jamaica no good. Them not have nothing to live for. Them a take people life for the least little thing. You know so much TikTok are gone. Naya gone. Bossed gone for the least little things. You think that you are woman them now we take your life. Look how much innocent woman dead at Jamaica every year. You think that you are a TikToker? You think that you're bigger than the program? Remember your fat Rosealee and I like you know skinny like me where bullet go through. You know want for your bullet go and lodge. Remember you have whole heap of flesh. No make them have to do things and it large. Me now wish it but me I say you're not bigger than me. I wonder if you're bigger than the program because you try to do things where you know you're not supposed to be doing. And the people them start class Akeem already, you know. You know see them on live. Me see them in a screen record. Hear them now? Akeem's spirit just off. Akeem's spirit just off. Why am I treat Rose so? In get when you want now, so in gone. He might use style now, to get when you want and in gone. The guy's not using style because him get when you want. The boy sister Rosealee a fall for him too deep and him don't want that him take time a draw away. It has nothing to do about clout. The nigga been have him clout. Him bigger than Rose in the streets. Him probably not bigger than Rose on TikTok. Or Rose just start TikTok and everybody know TikTok. But, and everybody know Akeem. They may be just not the talk. It may be just not the talk. Him probably, I know just the topic right now. But everybody can say, yeah, I know Akeem. Remember Akeem from them long time there. Him still have him name. Him probably just not trend like how we would have trend on TikTok. The man sister, and all you see Rose a ball. The car mad Rose, you know. Rose bad man, you know. Rose is a beast, you know. And I'm talking this in a one good way, not a negative way. Rose is bad man, you know. I don't know if I did Fabi or Jaden by something and the same way Rosealee did behave. Rosealee is bad man. If you don't see the black chew or something wrong with you. Rosealee is bad. I think it was Fabi or Jaden bought something and she went off on them. She crashed out. She crashed out. Jaden did go give the bestie some lion and she did crash out on the bestie too. Good, thank you. Jaden did give bestie some one bag of universe and lion and she did crash out and bestie start crying. She crash out and say a planting and a smaddy that way you rate and call your friend off of the internet too. Smaddy will have your back like that you can depend on anything. And you did low-key this the woman because you think is a planting. You don't have no loyal to nobody but yourself. You think Rosealee have money? Or Rosealee want better for herself? Everybody buy them look something and you just talk so. Every little TikToker buy. You know toughy that. Not toughy than. What a TikToker guy the name from Jamaica will have him look a data. We buy him car what day ya and fix up him house and put furniture in there. What him name again? Him always a play their game with we. Bucky, not Cooley man. Bucky or something like so. You don't know Bucky? No, not Cooley man. We are talking Bucky. Cutty line. Look on Cutty line. Whatever have nothing. And remember, Cutty line is not getting majority of the gift that me and Rosealee them a get. Cutty line is not getting majority of the gifts that we are getting. Sometimes go up on the man like the man can have a pass $1,000 more while. And him put every little mickle to something. Go look on the man page now and look on where the man a come from and the man furniture out him look a place. Cement off him look a place. Buy him look a car for drive him and him baby round. And Rosealee still living on one dirty wall. Rosealee still up on one bed. Well, look like she asleep on it for her baby and she there in her 70s. Rosealee door look like she did a play shit war. And you make money. You can't say you don't want to drive because if your man can't drive, buy the car and make your man drive it. Or go learn how to drive. You don't want nothing out of life. You just want to sit down and get money. And live a dirty lifestyle for people sorry for you to keep on. And send money. And the worst part of it, when people run you and elevate, you hate them when you can more than elevate just like them. You're evil. When the people them run you and elevate, you hate them. And it's not that you can't. You can. Because you're making money. You can elevate Rose. Since you're Akeem doing a little something, you could have come out and buy a little car. Make people them say you're progressing in life. Make them, sometimes you have to show people say you do something with them money. A Jamaican this, them watch the money with them give you. Your gifter come give you money. Not thinking just give you money. Say, watch what you do with it. Oh, you watch you. Not think of Jamaican them, you know. Not put it on past them, you know. You give them, they just give you money and you just sit down and take it. Then watch you. When you get it, they still think of it, then watch you. They send you a little lion. That's it, they not watch you, you know. They might watch you to see what you're going to do. You just get money and not elevate yourself, bro. Making people them say you elevate. You don't know if you use the internet. The more you elevate, the more income come in. I think maybe I fix up my local place then and I really show the income come in, you know. But me is a girl who love fix up. The more I fix up my place, the more income come for true. Rosealee start fix up. Yes, you're rich, you be. Start fix up. Rosealee, you know, so if you dash out that old bed there and buy a new bed, a fresh bed set, you say my bed them a Walmart bed, an Amazon bed. Rosealee, take a page out of my book. Just go on Amazon and buy a teenager bed. You call this a teenager bed. Go on Amazon and buy a nice little dress and fix up your blood clot place and no girl can chat to you. None! No bitch from the internet cannot pass them place with you're gonna be then and there you're gonna be that girl. Now make nobody full up your head, boy. We are going deadlift assets. You know want have them because you're going deadlift them there. No, because you're going dead left them, they are not supposed to live comfortable. They are here for us to buy them. We make money. They are here. Furnitures are here for a reason to buy them. In a day, if you look point, if you say, oh, I'm going dead, me not buy them. Go furniture out your place and live a proper life and turn around your life. Start go to the gym. Me not body bash you, because me tough like a... Me tough. So me not body shame a tickers like you, because me tough. Rosealee, me not afraid to show you that me tough. Me tough, Rosealee. You see them, yeah? Me tough. So me not go body shame you. But you need to start smoke the W word. Get some hot grabber. The cigarette now work. Cigarette now work. Start burn the real ital thing them. And put the grabber at night. And the girl them can't chat to you. You don't even have to do surgery like we. And the girl them can't chat to you. But guess what? The people them will tell you this, your class them and say them want views. Nobody can get your views. Everybody have them own people on social media. Jaden go live, Jaden get him 6,000 people. I feel people them they will love him and watch him. Jabas go live, him get him 2,000. Him naturally funny. Jabas ever not as Jabas open him out, you have to laugh. Annie have her 1,000 views them over the people rate Annie much as on 8 her people love her. Swiss World Dog, as much as everybody can get along, everybody have them own platform with them own people will watch them. So I not believe in a one on the company internet come talk about people that try to take on the views. If I saw the case on the viewers not real too, no, cause there is no way me say me rate Sam and me see Jack gone live and me run with left Sam and gone Jack. Jack could have 3,000 people on the live and Sam have 1,000. A Sam me say and a Sam me a stick to. Or if I saw be the case, me get 2 phone and watch it 2 live them. You know much time I see drama go on the internet and 20,000, 35 views over there. I'm still over here with 3,000 views and 2,000. Because people fuck with me, them and watch me. So nobody can thief your fame. Rosealee not too late. Rehearse and start back over the series. Because I'm not telling a lie. I did like it, but I just tell you, boy, I don't want you. I did like a series, but you boy, I don't want you. You need somebody to tell you the truth. You can go to Akeem and you can say, Akeem, alright. It never too late. Akeem is a person you can talk to. You can go to him and say, boy, Akeem, alright, here we go. I'm a human being. I fall for you. It is feelings. I can't control my feelings. I understand, so you don't feel that way about me. It's fine. We can just continue for. Because at this point, we all know say a series, but Rosealee fall for it. It's nothing to hide. We all know see a series. If them keep a subscription live right now, people still a subscribe, people still a go watch, you know. You understand what I say? Go on and sort out things and make a boy know say. You know? I'm not far for you, but I swear go, we can be friends. But now for this year, you don't, and Rosealee don't this, you don't need for this boy, because boy a real youth to you. I know if you call Akeem for 200k right now, you probably give you. As somebody will fuck with you. People like that where you can depend on and love and support you. You don't lose people like that. It's rare to find somebody who real. Especially in Jamaica. I know if something for happen to you right now, Akeem pull up. Something for happen to your kids, Akeem pull up. You want somebody to do this, him dead. Keep real, genuine people like that. Sometimes you don't need to be in a relationship with them. You need good friends. You need real friends where you can call upon. Like how me have love. Keep Akeem as a real, true, genuine friend where will be there for you. You don't have much real friend like that. And the one look one you might be having to live at Jamaica. Keep people like that and don't this the youth and make your emotions get to you. I don't know why I tell her she go turn on her life and she go class me. Which is fine. Fine. I can't help you. And another thing, stop saying you give the youth. I'm tell you something you need to understand. You can't blame nobody but yourself. If you know you're popular and you introduce somebody to your fans them and them start following, don't try to cuss your fans them because your fans support them. Your fans them find whatever them find in a Akeem and them rate him for who him, for him, and they want to support him because I feed them money. You can't cuss the people them for that. Because I realize on the internet, you know, some people bring the people them on the internet and build them and make them get more views and make them gain gifters. But when you're on the person left Are you and the person stop talk? You feel like you're in need. You feel like you have that power for want to tell the people them what to do with for them money. It's like you want to tell the people them say, don't go support him no more because me and him not talk. Or you need for pick on the side. You can't do that. The people them don't find what them find entertaining in a him. So despite what you have and if you mash up, the people them still are going to support him. Majority of my gifters them still support King when me and King did vex. And I don't look at it, they throw big for him. Can you introduce them to your people and your people get like them and I saw it go. I saw it go. Is either you don't bring them on the internet or you bring them on the internet. I'm done with